Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Gyroscope on PUBG. To enable Gyroscope in PUBG Mobile, launch open the PUBG Mobile app on your device and from the home page, tap on the little arrow icon at the bottom right next to Inventory. In the options, select Settings. From the Settings menu, go to the right-hand corner and tap on Sensitivity. Inside Sensitivity option, tap on Gyroscope right next to Lens. And once you see the Gyroscope menu, tap on Always On or Scope On. If you select Always On, Gyroscope will be active all the time. After enabling Gyroscope, you can now get back by tapping on the cross icon at the top right. You can also adjust the gyroscope sensitivity by going under gyroscope sensitivity and making your desired selection. You can always fine-tune the controls from the gyroscope sensitivity menu. So that's how you easily enable gyroscope on PUBG Mobile. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more PUBG Mobile tips and tricks. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.